Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about are plant-based meats as healthy as they seem? Plant-based meat substitutes are growing in popularity, but recent research links them to higher risks of depression and inflammation. Here are the key findings. 1. 42% higher depression risk. Vegetarians who eat plant-based meat substitutes have a 42% higher risk of depression than those who rely on traditional plant-based proteins like beans or tofu. This may be due to increased inflammation, though the cause isn't certain. 2. Slightly higher inflammation levels. Participants who consumed these substitutes showed higher C-reactive protein (CRP) levels, indicating inflammation, along with lower apolipoprotein levels linked to good cholesterol and slightly elevated blood pressure. 3. Minimal heart health impact. Despite these changes, plant-based meat substitutes didn't significantly raise heart disease risks. However, an August 2024 study found that high consumption of ultra-processed plant-based foods may increase cardiovascular risks. 4. 40% lower IBS risk. On the positive side, vegetarians who ate plant-based substitutes had a 40% lower risk of irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) compared to those who didn't. 5. Study details. The study tracked 3,300 vegetarians and vegans from the UK Biobank for an average of 14 years, analysing biomarkers and hospital data to assess health. 6. Study limitations. Most participants were white women, so the results may not apply to other groups. Dietary data was collected early on, making it harder to track later changes. 7. Comparing diets. Whole food plant-based diets with fruits, vegetables, beans, and nuts are linked to better heart health and lower disease risks compared to processed substitutes. 8. Whole foods versus processed foods. Plant-based meat substitutes are convenient but often high in sodium and other processed ingredients. Whole, minimally processed proteins are better for long-term health, such as tofu, soy-based tempeh, fermented soy, seitan, wheat gluten, beans, nuts, and seeds. 9. Practical tips for whole foods. Swap tuna sandwiches for chickpea salads. Add beans to soups, tacos, or grain bowls. Snack on nuts or nut butter. Use tofu or tempeh in stir-fries or salads. Plant-based meat substitutes can help transition to vegetarianism but shouldn't replace whole plant foods. Balance is key, and more research is needed to understand their long-term effects. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.